In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your public profile in TradingView. Your public profile is what other traders see when you publish ideas, scripts, streams, or comment in the community. So keeping it polished and up to date can really help you stand out. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open TradingView and log into your account. Once you're on your dashboard or chart screen, head to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This opens a menu with all your personal account controls. From the drop-down, select Settings and Billing. This takes you to your main account settings panel, where you can adjust security, notifications, billing info, and of course, your public profile. On the left side of this panel, look for the section labeled Public Profile. Click on it and you'll now see all the options you can customize. This includes your bio, location, website links, social media, trading interests, and even your profile picture. Updating these fields helps other traders understand who you are, what markets you follow, and what kind of content you create. If you publish trading ideas or scripts, having a complete profile also increases trust and makes your work more discoverable. Make any edits you like, and once you're done, remember to click Save at the bottom. Your updated public profile will now appear everywhere across the TradingView community. And that's it. A quick walkthrough on how to update your public profile in TradingView. A strong profile helps you build credibility, attract followers, and connect with other traders who share your style. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.